Are you confused on how to make diffuser blends that you'll actually love? Let's make this Spring Rain Diffuser Blend so that you can be singing in the rain. So go grab your March recipe box, because with this box, you'll go from confused on how to make diffuser blends that you love to totally confident. Hi, I'm Summer, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use your essential oils. Turn off those distractions because making is healing, and get ready to get started. Grab your March recipe box and your big bonus box. Let's flip through those recipe cards. Grab your sticker sheet, an empty 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box, beauty within, coriander, and lemon eucalyptus. You want to take the lid off. I always like to grab a funnel so that I can lower my risk of mess. And to make a master blend, you're going to add 34 drops of beauty within, 51 drops of coriander. All right, and lastly, you'll need 17 drops of lemon eucalyptus. You'll take your funnel out and cap it. Shake it up, put your label on. You can make this. Let's test it out. I love the smell of fresh spring rain, and this hits it on the nose. Now, I love to see your creations, so make sure to take lots of pictures and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go make it.